Today, we are going to have what we call the conic section. The topic is conic section, and the subtopic is equation of a cycle. What is a cycle? I'm sure it's a 2D, and it's a set of all points equidistant from a point. This is a cycle, form of a cycle, set of all points equidistant from a point. And it's a 2D set of point equidistance. If you which is O, can represent it as AB. At any point, I can represent it as X, Y. It's a point. That is definition. One of the definitions of a cycle. I'm going to give you a question, and I'm going to solve it. Example. Find the equation of a cycle, center 3, minus 2, and radius is 2 units. There is a formula of equation of a cycle. There's a formula equation of a cycle, and is given by x minus a raised to power 2 plus y minus b raised to power 2 equals to r square. Very important. A minus x minus a raised to power 2 all raised to power 2 plus y minus b raised to power 2 equals to r. Where a and b, a comma b, is the center of the cycle. Now, in solving this, we are asked to find the equation of a cycle. The equation of the cycle. So we know that a is equals to 3 and b is equals to minus 2, and r, which is the radius, is 2. We're going to substitute these values into the equation. So we have x minus 3 raised to power 2, x whole raised to power 2, plus y minus 2 raised to power 2 equals to 2 square. So we're going to open up that bracket. We're going to have x minus 3 raised to power 2 plus, I want to do something here before I plus 2 raised to power. So in opening the we're going to have x square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square plus 4y plus 4 equals to. Of course, you know this is twice of this. Twice. X minus 3, open bracket, x minus 3. If you do it, you are going to get this value. If you open up x plus 2 raised to power 2 twice. If you just do it twice, you're going to get this value. You try it and you see that it's going to be correct. So we're going to have, bringing the other 4 over the equal sign, I'm going to have minus 6x plus y squared minus plus 4y plus 9 4 4 0. So this cancels that. So we have the value x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 4y 0. This is the equation of the cycle. The equation of the cycle. Of course, we do know that we can reverse this to get, in case we are asked to find the center and the radius. And that brings me to another question. I can reverse this. Supposing let me have it as an example so that to be clear. Find the radius and the center. Center of the cycle whose equation is x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 4y plus 9 equals to 0. Solution to that. We are only going to reverse it. Going to reverse this value. Just reverse it and to come back to find. We are going to get the value 3 minus 2 and 2. Let's go. X squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 4y plus 9 equals 0. Now we're going to bring the like terms together. We're going to have x squared minus 6x plus y squared plus 4y equals to, I'm moving the minus plus 9 over the equals to sign, so I have plus 9 minus 9. So I'm going to use what we call the completing the square method to solve to find the other part of x, which is the constant. That is, that if you had to, if you can remember this, but you can remember ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. You divide the b by 2, square it, and add it. Divide the b by 2, square it, and add it. So we have x squared minus 6x. You divide the b by 2, that is going to give us 3. Then square it. If we square it, it's going to give us 9, and you add it. That gives us a complete square method. Then we go to the next one, y squared. You divide the b, which is the coefficient of y, by 2, that is 4. Divide, square it, and add it, that is 4, equals to minus 9. Now, looking at this, we want to see a situation where we come back to this situation. If there's a manipulation, if we have this s minus 3 square minus 9, it's going to come back to this. It's going to come back to s squared minus 6x, because if we open up this, give us back s squared minus 6x. Here too, plus y plus 2 square minus, back this, so minus 9. Here we have s minus 3 square plus y plus 2 square minus 9 minus 4 equals to minus 9. So move the minus 9 plus minus 4 over the equals to sign. I'm going to have minus square plus y plus 2 whole square equals. This cancels this, so we have 2. We have 4 there. So here we have s minus 3 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square equals to 4. Of course, you know that this is 2 raised to power 2. So therefore, comparing, we're going to comparing with the equation of a cycle, which is what? Which is x a whole square plus y minus b whole square equals to r. Just compare it. Now, we have comparing that minus a and this minus a equals to minus. So it implies that a is equals to 3. Compare minus b equals to plus 2. It implies that b is equals to minus 2. So r square is equals to 4. So therefore, it implies that r is equals to 2. So now, we now have a situation where we have the equation of a cycle, the center, the equation, the center, that is a, comma b equals to what? Comma minus 2, and the radius equals to 2. So, I'm going to give you a classwork so that just one of them, so that you can you can practice, you can do that now while I mark your notes. Classwork. Find the equation of a cycle center 4, 3 and radius is 5 units. 5 units. Find the equation of a cycle center 4, 3 and radius is 5 units. Next lesson, we are going to be taking still on conic section, and it's going to be equation of a tangent. Equation of a cycle of a tangent. Equation of a cycle of a tangent. Thank you.